Welcome to BuildMyChecks. In this video, we'll show you how to control who can see and use checks in BuildMyChecks using Form Access Control. Step 1. Create a new check. From the dashboard, navigate to Create New Check. Step 2. Open Form Access Control. On the Form Setup screen, click the arrow to enable Form Access Control. Step 3. Choose Access. Use the checkboxes to control who can access the check. On-screen options, all users, specific groups. You can assign access to one or multiple options as required. Access applied. The check will now only be visible to the users or groups you selected. Access settings can also be updated later from the dashboard using Form Actions or inside Edit Check. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.